We are on our way back from Nambour National Park, heading back down towards Perth. We've just stopped in Lancelin, I think it's called, and looking into sandboard hire. So I might go and have a little bit of fun on the sand dunes if we can get on board and see how that goes. Could be a disaster, could be really fun. What are you nervous about?
Going down the slide.
Yeah, but you can start in the little one. Maybe start here. No, it's too slow. I don't think. I don't know. I've never been sand tuning.
She used to do it.
What if Daddy stacks it? Daddy might stack it.
That was the best.
That was a fast one.
Yeah.